Hey everybody, I'm your man, Mike Dares, Langley Chrysler. I'm here today to talk to you about a wonderful service we've offered for some time now called an options review. If you're in for service, maybe for an oil change, maintenance, come see me. What an options review is we'll do a free trade appraisal, maybe show you some replacement options and what it'll take to own the vehicle. If it makes sense, awesome. And if it doesn't, at least you know your trade's value in today's market. So maybe you've been thinking about some cash back to pay off those high interest credit cards, some other debts. Maybe you just want to get a new car and take a break from payments altogether. We can do 3 months, 6 months, no payments for up to 1 year. We have interest rates as low as 0%. It has never been a better time. If you're interested in chatting, you want to know what your vehicle's worth, give me a call. My cell phone is 778-668-2490. And remember, I'm not here to sell you a car, I'm here to help you buy one. Thanks.